Hi, I'm Ian McClintock. I'm the founder of Charity Excellence. This is a short introduction to the new website. It hasn't been updated since 2018 because I paid for it all myself and I had no money. However, thanks to James at the GSR Foundation and RedBrain, we've been able to update it. So what have we got? Well, first point to take from this is what's available on the website is an absolute fraction of what's available in the system. Effectively, we tap into and promote the non-profit sector and widely, including globally. So, for example, Funding Finder not only has grants on it, it finds other grants databases and online funding lists, giving you click through to about 100,000 funders globally. So, I've no idea how many people the system connects you to, but they range from things like Harvard University's Project Implicit. If you would like to know whether you're biased against the Beast People, it will help you find out. Apparently I'm not. All the way through to tiny little organizations in the UK providing things like laptops, period products and food and things like that. Now, speaking of tiny little organizations, we have binned all of our own imagery and we've replaced this with much more interesting things from our fabulous small charities who made the home website, the homepage. Well, first up is the fabulous Include Choir, and then we have the Unicorn School in Oxford, and also Debate Meet. If you're thinking that seems to lean a bit heavily into learning disabilities, I'm on the autism spectrum. Sorry, not sorry. However, the Smalls images are throughout the entire system, and I will rotate the homepage so we can put other people up there as well. But what do you get with the new system? First thing through, these are all the things that you've told me you want, so they're in a better order. You can go to the Resource Hub. The Resource Hub will give you an index of everything there. Here you can see all the policies. You cannot download any policies or funding lists from the website. There are just too many of them. You have to log in, go to the bunny for the policies, score the income questionnaire for the funding lists. If I go all the way to the bottom, at the bottom of every single web page, you will find this. If you click through there, that will download an infographic for you. It gives you a very simple, complete oversight of all the living systems and Charity Excellence, and click through to all the underlying guidance, and you can share it. You can do what you like with it. We also have policies, because you said you wanted them. These are the policies you need. Again, there's a list of them all. I've put some of them online. And what I'm now doing with a lot of the resources is at the bottom, I'm putting facts, the kind of questions that get asked again and again and again and again. We've put very short, simple answers so you can get them and you can get off the website. I also provide links to regulatory guidance and other resources so you can find the stuff that other people are doing, which is potentially better than mine. What else have we got on here? We have the search system. So if I type in training, it'll go away. It'll find more pictures of fabulous smalls. These are our free training webinars. We currently have 38 listed. It's got all the links and dates and everything else you need. Here are ones for fundraising, and here are the more general ones for everyone else that what they want. We also have the bunnies. If the bunny gets in the way, it can do if you're reading something. If you click the button down here, it will hop back down its burrow. Click it, it reappears again. Click it and the bunny comes up. People have said to me, that's not terribly adult. Why have you got bunnies? The answer is that we now provide support to individuals, including some who are very vulnerable, and that includes children. We support between 5 and 10,000 every single month, and I want avatars that are non-threatening. I think that's more important because I'm more interested in people being protected. Type into the bunny what you want. I need a food bank. The bunny, you can see it working. Now, this answer is a bit squeezed, so you have to sort of scroll up, and here we've got the Trussell Trust. That's a bit of a problem sometimes because the bunnies go to all of the regulatory websites and loads of other websites, and sometimes the answers are really big. So what the bunnies now do is they use AI to summarize the answer for you, and what you will get in here will be a little snapshot. So if you click View Source Answer, it will give you the source answer. And in this case, it's really small, but actually for the commission, etc., it could actually be substantial. And you have to keep scrolling up. That is really irritating. So what you do is you click that little button here and it expands the whole thing out for you. What else have you got in here? Well, the bunnies try and help you in other ways. So here's the Trussell Trust network. You click through to the map, it'll find food bank. There is another food bank network called IFAN. So it just goes, by the way, I've got another one here for you. And if you need food, maybe you need help with warm spaces, so it'll connect you to warm space and it'll give you some advice on how to get food bank vouchers and referrals so you can go and get food. So it's trying to help you by finding other things. If you think that's fine, if you hit the recycle button, it will take you back to square one. You click that button and it will disappear. I think that's pretty much everything. I hope you find that useful and thank you for listening to me. Cheers.